today, i-unboxing natin yung gift na amin from the Taliban. Sir Taliban, thank you so much, Sir Taliban, for sharing your blessing to us. And you just order some hat from Sis Mugs. Thank you so much, Sis Mugs. And Conscientia, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Conscientia and Sir Taliban. So, i-open up natin siya. Kahapon pa to siya na dumating dito sa amin, guys. Then, that time, wala ako dito sa bahay kasi nagpunta ako ng town. So, door to door to siya, guys. So, tingnan natin. Don't bother me. Uy! Don't bother me. So, dalawa to siya kasi from also at the Sweetscape.
Smells good inside.
Yay! Ito, M. M for
Monkey
MaeZaza, Magzi.
and sweet kissy.
Ito, isa kay Ate Sweetscape. Ito siya. Ang ganda ng ano niyo, pagkabuo.
Inside it.
Is that what you call that?
So,
An apple eh.
George! Anon! Don't touch it. That's Ate Sweetscape. So, this one is for a Sweetscape vlog. I will send it to her, or I don't know.
Take off it.
I will keep it until when she tell me when. And I will show it to be keep this one forever and ever. Charot. Not forever. Maybe one day I will not one day I will send it to her, and I will buy something to share that one also. Yeah, so thank you so much, Sir the Taliban, and thank you so much, Sis Mags, because I have a gift from the Taliban. Yeah. Thank you so much, Sis Conscientia, kasi alam mo na. Thank you so much. Alam niyo. So, guys, take care and God bless. Thank you so much. So, na-unbox ko na yung ano natin, yung hat natin. Yon, ninakaw na ni Sahira yung hat. Lumayas na yung ano, nagamit. But I will not allow her to use that one because that's my hat. That's mine.
So far.
Huh?
This is not is far.
No. Bye-bye.
Not 6.
Hi guys, thank you for watching my video. This is MaeZazaSoperVlog. Thank you so much guys. Bye-bye. Love you.